Welcome, in front of me I have fake Samsung. This smartphone comes from Amazon and it's called Android Phone A82, and I will show you how you can check your battery temperature. So we are going to use the external application called Ampere. Tap on search pool and type Ampere. We have to download this application. When you got it, simply tap on open button. Next, if you scroll on the right, you will get the same theme of the same data. I mean the other theme of the same data. And here you can find the temperature of the battery and also other stuff, as you can see. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.